How to spoof my location on iPhone without computer. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to spoof your location on your iPhone without needing a computer. Whether you're looking to protect your privacy, test location-based apps, or just have some fun, this guide has covered you. Now, first things first, what you need to do is the easiest way to spoof your iPhone's location without a computer is by using a location spoofing app. One of the popular options for this app is iMyPhone Anytune. Here you simply search for iMyPhone Anytune, which allows you to change your GPS location easily. Now, after you've done that, simply open it and choose the location where you want to be at. Now, simply open your settings app and search for location services. Now, simply allow the option for the app to do the location services as well and activate location spoofing. And some apps like iMyPhone and to also let you customize your movement. You can simulate walking between multiple locations or even simulate a route to make it look like you're traveling. Just do that. Alternatively, if you don't want to install a third party app, there's a workaround using airplane mode and the Maps app, although it's limited. Simply turn on airplane mode and wait a few seconds and then turn it off. After doing this, or open your Maps app and manually drop a pin. Open your Maps app and simply drop a pin in a location you want to spoof. While this doesn't fully change your GPS system wide, it can be helpful for specific situations. And that's it. You've successfully spoofed your location on iPhone without needing a computer.